You can now create a playlist in Yodeck from your business OneDrive account. To do this, go to the Playlist tab and add a new playlist. Select the OneDrive option, then click Link your OneDrive account. Once you're logged into OneDrive, choose the folder you'd like to display. If you update this folder from within OneDrive, it will automatically update your playlist in Yodeck. Then give the playlist a name and an optional description if needed. You can then personalise the settings, like adding black gaps between videos, adding transitions between images, and random playback if you want to display the content in a random order. Set the duration for images and documents, then click Save, and your OneDrive playlist will be ready to display.